Hello, I'm Taylor Ingram with Chart Industries. We're here today to go over what to do when you receive your new Sequal Eclipse 5 oxygen concentrator out of the box. The Sequal Eclipse 5 is a transportable oxygen concentrator that does both continuous and pulse flow, so you can use it 24 hours a day, at home as a stationary, on the go as a portable, or even for travel. Now let's take a look at the components that you receive in the box. Okay, now we're going to show you the different accessories and components that you'll find when you unbox your Eclipse 5 concentrator. First off, you'll obviously see the cart. There is some assembly required to this, so we'll come back to it in just a second. You'll also receive a nasal cannula that you'll connect, and this will be what you breathe through and install inside of your nose. Then you'll see your 3 power supplies. We have a power supply that's a DC power supply. This is the smaller one. This is to run inside your car or vehicle. We have an AC power supply. This is used for installing in your home or charging the battery in a wall outlet. You also will receive a power cord for the country that you're in. You'll need to install this power cord in the AC power supply. So you take this end of the power cord here and install it into the side of the power supply. Push tightly to make sure it's firm, and now your power supply is ready to use. The third power component that you'll find is the power cartridge or battery. This is installed into the back of the Eclipse 5 and is used for portability. The battery pack is installed into the back of your Sequal Eclipse 5. To install the battery pack, make sure that the white text is upright. Then take the battery and slide it in gently to the back of the machine. You'll hear a click when everything installs properly. Now your battery is installed and ready to use. Please note that your battery needs to be charged before your first use, as it's not fully charged if it's shipped to you new. To remove the battery, push down with your thumb on this black tab and pull it outwards like a drawer. The AC and DC power supplies are both installed into the side of the machine. When you're installed to external power, either the AC in your home or the DC in your car, you can both run the unit and recharge your battery cartridge. So for the AC power, you'll plug it into the wall. If this were the DC, you'd plug it into the accessory outlet of your vehicle. Once you're plugged into external power, either the wall or in your vehicle, you should see a green light come on top of the power supply brick. This indicates that you're receiving external power from your source. At this point, you're ready to plug into the side of the Eclipse to begin charging or using it. Note that it's a right-angled connector, and you'll need to keep this upright as you plug it in. So just slide it straight in there. There's no connection button or no twisting. And you'll hear that beep to let you know that you're plugged in and receiving power. The other thing that you'll want to look for, that you're connected to external power, is this light that's shaped like an electrical plug on the side of the control panel. If this light's on and the light on your brick is on, you're good to go and you're charging and running your machine. So the last thing you'll have to do is assemble your cart. This is pretty easy. You'll get the body of the cart in the machine along with 2 wheels, 2 axle rods, 4 washers, and 2 C-clips. So you'll need to install each wheel onto the cart. First things first, you'll want to put the axle through the wheel. Install a washer onto the side that has a built-in washer, and then slide it through from the smooth end of the wheel, like so. Then you'll want to push it into the cart. At this point, once it's locked in place, install the second washer on the back end, and then install the C-clip to secure the wheel. Once you have the wheels on the cart, then you can install the cart onto the Sequal Eclipse. The screw with a turn knob on the back of the cart installs into this hole here on the back of the Eclipse. Note that there's 2 tabs on the bottom that kind of lock the Eclipse in place, so you want to line these up with the bottom of the Eclipse. Now let's install it on the cart. Once you have those pins connected and you feel it lock in place, begin turning this knob until it's secure. And now your Eclipse is ready to go. The one thing you do want to note is that you can still remove and change the battery cartridge while the Eclipse is on the cart. Now you're ready to begin using your Sequal Eclipse 5 portable oxygen concentrator. To power the unit on, press the top left-hand button, the power button, and hold it down for about 2 to 3 seconds. Once you hear the beep, release it, and you're ready to go. For more information on how to actually use the machine now that you've powered it on, check out our basic operation video. Thanks for watching.